We created a Step Up program because we saw a problem that needed to be solved. Today, nearly half of Australians are experiencing economic and financial illiteracy. At the same time, economic enrollments in schools have fallen sharply, from 40% in the 90s to just 4% today. Now, traditional outreach efforts have struggled to reverse this trend, often failing to engage students deeply or for long enough to make a lasting impact.
Step Up is our answer to this challenge. A high school outreach program built around Playconomics, an immersive video game that brings economics to life. Students step into a virtual world that faces the same challenges as the real one, but where they are in control, free to experiment, take risks, and roll up their sleeves to try and solve the problems.
Step Up is designed to be free for schools and easy for teachers to run. Students can take part as much or as little as they want, earning credit in a Group of 8 university course designed, taught, and assessed by university professors.
Since launching in 2022, nearly 7,000 high school students have taken part. 11% more students now see university as an option, and 83% say Step Up taught them skills they'll use in life and future jobs.
I think by doing the playing, it makes you learn more, because once you play the game, you see in a way a real life representation, or you kind of just get to learn it and see it for yourself, rather than just doing it textbook.
Every year, we bring participating schools onto campus to celebrate their top Step Up students. It's a fantastic opportunity to come together and recognize achievement, spark ambition, and show students what's possible.
UNSW has such a strong reputation and an image in the community, and certainly for students aspiring to study here. For us as a school, that is a wonderful opportunity and one we jumped at. The minute I heard about it, I thought the partnership for us as a college with the university is really appropriate, and at the heart of it is for kids to have, the students to have that opportunity.
There are two core elements behind the program's success. First, Playconomics competes with gaming and social media, not with other school work. In doing so, it creates study time rather than stealing it from other subjects. Second, fun is the great equalizer. With most educational tools, it is the academically driven students who benefit the most, while others fall further behind. Not with Playconomics, because everyone likes to have fun.
Playconomics is far different to anything I learn at school. It's far more engaging and practical. I find with school we're constantly reading about economic concepts, and reading's fine, but it doesn't really give you that practical experience to actually envision what the economy is like. And Playconomics is also fun.
Playconomics is an actual video game that students actually want to play, not just an educational tool dressed up as one. Meaning we see much higher adoption rates than in any other voluntary outreach program or educational tool we know of.
Step Up program have made me feel more confident in being able to attend a university. I think I would like to study economics.
I hope it just continues getting bigger, and I hope more schools come on board over time. Having a few prizes at the end always helps the students as well. There's something to aim for, and a bit of cred around the school for being one of the top 1 or 2 economics performers each year.
Our hope is simple: to open doors, shift expectations, and change what thousands of young people believe it is possible when it comes to their economic and financial literacy, and more broadly, pursuing a university career.
If you'd like to get involved or find out more, we'd love to hear from you.